Ever wondered how to foster emotional development in children? Today, we delve into 12 key strategies that can help. First up is connect and redirect. This strategy involves building a strong emotional bond with a child before addressing their behavior. This approach helps the child feel understood and supported, which is crucial for emotional development. Next, we have name it to tame it. This strategy encourages children to express their emotions verbally. By doing so, they can better regulate and process their feelings, leading to healthier emotional responses. The third strategy is engage, don't enrage. This involves using empathy and understanding when interacting with a child's feelings. Reacting in anger can escalate the situation, while empathy can help diffuse it. Our fourth strategy, use it or lose it, focuses on helping children practice and reinforce new skills. This strengthens neural connections in the brain, aiding emotional development. Coming in at number 5 is move it or lose it. Physical activity isn't just good for the body, it also enhances brain function and helps regulate emotions. Encouraging movement can support a child's overall emotional well-being. The sixth strategy is use the remote of the mind. This teaches children to pause and reflect on their thoughts and emotions. This self-awareness and self-regulation can lead to better emotional health. Our seventh strategy, remember to remember, helps children integrate past experiences into their present understanding. This promotes a coherent narrative and a sense of self. Next, we have let the clouds of emotion roll by. This strategy encourages children to understand that emotions are transient, helping them develop resilience and emotional intelligence. At number 9 is SIFT. This stands for sensations, images, feelings, thoughts. Breaking down overwhelming experiences into these components can make them more manageable and aid in emotional processing. The 10th strategy is connect through conflict. This approach uses conflicts as opportunities to teach problem-solving skills, thereby fostering emotional and social growth. Coming in at 11 is use two minds to solve problems. This encourages children to consider both logical and emotional aspects when facing challenges, promoting balanced decision-making. Our final strategy is balance consistency with flexibility. This means maintaining predictable routines while also being open to adapting strategies based on a child's changing needs. In summary, these 12 strategies aim to integrate the different parts of the brain and promote healthy emotional development in children. Each strategy offers a unique approach, from fostering strong emotional connections to encouraging physical activity and self-reflection. By applying these strategies, we can help children navigate their emotions and develop into emotionally healthy individuals. A child's emotional development is a journey, and these strategies can act as a roadmap guiding us along the way.